Hello everyone, and welcome to Cutie's Baking Show. Hello, I am Cutie today. Hello, I am Cutie and I'm your host today. I'm going to be teaching you how to make baked apples and carrots. It's easy, but you need a little time, so I'm going to put these in the oven, and while you're waiting, there's going to be a short commercial. I'll just put these in the oven first. Okay, here's your commercial. Are you getting sick and tired of your old bed? Try the new Ultra Comfy bed. It's very comfy. And you can lay in it all day. You can buy it at Target, Jewel, Costco, or Walmart. It's very comfy. Back to the show. Thanks. Okay, we baked the carrots. I baked the carrots while you were waiting, and now we have to take the apples out of the oven. Ugh. Why is it not opening? There we go. There they are. Take this off here, put these up here. Okay. Now, you baked both of them, well, all three, and now you have to chop them on top of the apples. And there you got it. It's very delicious. You can make it at home for yourself. It's a real recipe, so you can try it. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and bye. Hope you try my new recipe.